Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy recipe to create corn dog and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have just cooked a corn dog and I'm going to show you the recipe. Okay, for the ingredients, first of all, you will need corn. So you need to collect corn on your garden. I'm going to submit my wet corn, and then the second ingredients, you can add pepper. Okay, it can be bell pepper as well. If you don't have pepper, you can replace it with bell pepper. Okay, and then the next one, you will need coconut. Okay, and I'm going to submit my wet coconut. Okay, and click on cook, and then you will get this corn dog. Yeah. Okay, and you can try it on your garden, and make sure that you have unlocked the cooking kit by completing the common achievements. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get corn dog and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.